boys and girls. This is a computer workstation update. As you can see, I got a third screen here now.